What makes an off-road icon even more unstoppable? Completely new for 2025, the 4Runner Trailhunter by Toyota is designed for those whose adventures take them off the beaten path. The Overland beast is ready and willing to take on the toughest terrain with a rugged Baja desert racing-inspired design. The power of the 4Runner Trailhunter is supplied by the iForce Max hybrid powertrain by Toyota, which provides a strong 326 horsepower and a whopping 630 Newton-meters of torque for high performance both on and off of paved surfaces. Specially tuned Old Man Emu 2.5-inch Ford shocks are paired with rear external piggyback remote reservoirs, provide superior stability and control. Sitting on 33-inch Toyo Open Country all-terrain tires, it gains an extra 2 inches of front lift and 1.5 inches in the rear for maximum ground clearance. Adventure ready from the factory, the Trailhunter is equipped with a heritage-style grille featuring bold bronze Toyota lettering, a 20-inch integrated LED light bar, and rigid LED fog lamps for ultimate visibility in the wilderness. A low-profile high-mount air intake ensures cleaner airflow, while steel rock rails and high-strength skid plates protect vital components when navigating rough terrain. Inside, the 4Runner Trailhunter is just as refined as it is rugged. A new 14-inch touchscreen with Toyota's latest multimedia system offers seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster provides vital driving information at a glance, while the premium interior materials ensure comfort no matter how far your journey takes you. Toyota has also integrated cutting-edge safety technology, with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 coming standard on all models. From pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to lane departure alert with steering assist, the 4Runner Trailhunter keeps you protected while pushing the limits. Whether you're crossing rivers, climbing rocky trails, or camping under the stars, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter is your ultimate adventure companion. Are you ready to take on the wild? Let us know where you take this off-road beast in the comments below.
World Cars.